The focus now turns to the Senate. Abortion rights supporters are vowing to strip an amendment that would restrict abortion coverage added to the House's health care bill. The president of NARAL Pro-Choice America says that although the vote was disappointing and outrageous, the fight isn't over. And she joins us now, Nancy Keenan, here with us. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
First of all, let's clear up what this amendment would do and what it wouldn't do. Supporters say that this is no different from the Hyde Amendment, which has been the law of the land for decades, which restricts federal funding for abortions.
Well, the Stupak Amendment goes far beyond what is the status quo. In fact, the Stupak Amendment basically and fundamentally doesn't allow women to buy health insurance that would cover abortion
with
care
their own money.
With their own money in the new health care system. So this is basically women with their own money can no longer purchase that insurance in the new system, and that's outrageous. It goes far beyond what the status quo is.
Well, what would be the impact of, let's say that insurance companies don't cover abortion procedures? That would still mean that women could pay for abortions. Doctors and hospitals could provide abortions. It just wouldn't be covered by insurance. Is that
let's keep in mind,
is there a domino effect?
Let's talk about 85% of the insurance companies presently today cover abortion care. 85%. So if they want to be part of this new health care system, in essence, they would be prohibited from providing that care, that abortion care coverage. Because if you're going into that new system, why would they want to participate in it if they were only covering 20% of the women? So they are prohibited from making that coverage available to women in the new system.
Ms. Keenan, the president issued a statement over the weekend. He came back, he spoke in the Rose Garden, no mention of this, no mention from the White House. Nancy Pelosi, all of the victory statements. You had the first woman speaker who is pro-choice, yet she gave in to the abortion opponents because it was the only way, she said, to save the bill. Is something better than nothing here?
You know, it's unacceptable, and it's very disappointing to us, but look, we were challenged by the numbers in the House. We are outnumbered by anti-choice votes in the United States House and versus our pro-choice. So the numbers are challenging. I'm not going to waste my time assigning blame here. We take the fight to the Senate. We've got to stop Stupak in the Senate and making sure that this abortion ban is not in the Senate bill.
But the fact is that in the Senate you've got moderates and centrists, you know, in both parties who are objecting to the public option. How are you going to get abortion back in?
Well, you know, we're going to have all the women across this country, pro-choice women, call every senator on that side of the equation. We're going to make sure Harry Reid hears from us as well. And, you know, it's going to be tight. It's not going to be easy, but we are not going away quietly into the night. We are going to take this fight right to the end.
Is it better to have no bill than to have a bill that bans abortion?
Look, I think that what the Stupak Amendment does is goes further than federal funding. The Senate bill presently does not allow federal funding of abortion. And if they would just leave it at that, the status quo, that is something, and it should suffice.
Did you guys get blindsided? Did the speaker let you down? I mean, everyone knew that abortion and immigration were burning issues that were potential obstacles. Now, here it happens in the middle of the night. It was a Friday night vote and then a Saturday night final vote.
You know, I think that the point here is that the votes are challenging, that the Stupak ban that came to the floor is, again, it's outrageous, but we've got to take this fight to the Senate. And I'm not going to look back. I'm going to say, how do we stop this? How do we stop this on the Senate side? And we are going to hold everybody accountable over there.
Nancy Keenan from NARAL, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for being with us. I know this is not our last conversation on this issue.